Hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm with the Volusia County Public Library at the Hope Place branch. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mask using paper mache. If you need to learn how to make paper mache paste, you can check out my last video where I show you two kinds of paper mache paste that you can make with materials you probably have laying around your house. For our project today, all you're going to need is paper mache paste, a pair of scissors, newspaper, a balloon, masking tape, a Sharpie, and some sort of yarn or elastic. Once you have all your materials together, let's get started. We're going to start with blowing up our balloon to about a normal size, and then we're going to rip off masking tape, one piece being about this long and the other being just a little bit shorter. These we're going to use to make our nose. Taking your balloon and your masking tape, you're going to take the sticky sides and stick it down so that you have sort of a nose bridge, and this is going to help us put a little nose indent when we're making our mask. I recommend taking a couple more pieces of masking tape and just using them to secure the nose. Now that our nose is secure, you can start dipping your newspaper into the paper mache paste and applying it like I showed in my last video. Putting it on top of your balloon, you're going to want to make sure that you're smoothing out any wrinkles or bubbles so that the next pieces of newspaper you put on are laying flat against each other. Repeat this process until you have about 3 solid layers on top of your balloon. This is going to help the finished product be much more sturdy. Now I've applied about 3 layers to my balloon, and as you can see, I've just gone straight over that masking tape, so it's really made it a little tougher. Now I'm going to let this dry and I'll come back and show you what to do next. So my mask is now dry, and all we have to do is pop this balloon so that we can take the mask off. Very gently remove the balloon from the inside of your mask. You may also take the masking tape off with it, which is perfectly fine. I've taken my balloon out, and now all I'm going to do is cut around these rough edges so that it fits to my face a little better. If you'd like, you can keep the edges just for decoration. Now that I've trimmed all around my edges and the mask fits a little better to my face, I'm just going to take a marker, put the mask up to my face, and about where my eyes are, I'm going to mark some holes so that I know where to cut out for the eyes. For the process of cutting out the eyes, you're going to want to use a box cutter or an X-Acto knife and very gently cut out an eye shape in your mask. Once you've cut out holes in your mask for the eyes, you could also take a strong hole puncher or add small holes in the sides as well, so that when you put it on, you have an elastic or yarn that can go around your head to keep the mask on. Once you finish this, you can paint or add sequins or do whatever you would like. So I've painted my mask, and the paint actually covered it pretty well. I used 3 layers of newspaper, so it's pretty solid. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I hope you were able to make a beautiful mask. For more YouTube videos, be sure to check out our YouTube channel at Volusia Teens Read and check out our Instagram at Volusia Reads. Thank you guys so much. See you later.